Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into Plex with Google account. Since the process is quite easy, let's jump right into the video. Get started by tap and open your Plex application from your app drawer and make sure the application loads. Once you end up in this main homepage for Plex, go ahead and click on the sign in button appearing at the top of the screen. In the sign in page, you'll get to choose from several options. Select one of the options you'd like to log into Plex with. Since in today's video we are trying to log in with our Google account, let's go ahead and tap on Continue with Google. It'll then prompt you to open up google.com on your device. Simply tap on Continue to get to the website, and you'll need to now choose one of your Google accounts you'd like to log in with on Plex. Or if you want to enter another Google account, tap on Use Another Account. In the sign-in area, type in your email or your phone number you'd like to log in with on Plex. After you are done entering the email, click Next. Now, enter your Google account's password on the next page where it says Enter your password. If you don't remember your Google account's password, then you can get help by tapping on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After entering your correct password for your Google account, tap Next, and soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Plex account with Google account. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.